Hello, SPACECLIMA. I'm introducing the air conditioner parts. Compressor, controller, high pressure pipe, low pressure pipe. The inside is a parallel flow condenser. The outside is the condensing fan. Foam curtain can insulate heat and absorb shock. Inside is an evaporator. And this decorative board has air outlets and switches. I hope this information can help you.